Today we're creating glowing neon buttons in pure Java Swing. The file Neon Glow Button Showcase extends JPanel and uses a timer running 60 frames per second for smooth animation. We build 3 custom buttons, Launch, Glow, and Nebula, each with its own bright color. The panel handles background painting, anti-aliasing, and a subtle radial gradient for that cinematic depth. Every timer tick calls tick on each button to update a pulse and ripple effect. Inside the Neon Button class, the shape is a perfect capsule, arc equals height. We layer several translucent strokes to form a soft neon halo, fill a dark inner body, and draw a thin bright rim. Hovering slightly scales and brightens the button, while clicking triggers a fading ripple across its surface. No images, no libraries, just Java 2D shapes and gradients. Colors, text, and glow strength are all customizable. It's lightweight, smooth, and loop-ready for short videos or real apps. If you like this effect, subscribe for more Java Swing generative UI projects.